Alright, this is just another video of another example that will support you for your problems on your homework involving solving the value of x or the x variable. So once again, when you're solving equations, what you're really doing in a nutshell is you're technically just organizing your equations so that you just have a x by itself and numbers on the other side. The way you're going to move numbers is by doing the opposite of what you see. So let's go ahead and go into our guiding questions. So our first question is, from the equation, do we have an operation of addition or subtraction? Do we have an operation of addition or subtraction? I hope you're able to notice right away that we have subtraction in this equation. And my follow-up question to you is, what number is involved in that subtraction? And I hope you're able to see that the number involved is 4. You're subtracting 4 away. All right. So once again, our objective is to organize this equation. So we want to move the number 4 right away over to the side with numbers. So I'm going to cut this in half so that we have a left side and a right side. So I'm going to move my 4 over to the 23, but the way I'm going to move it is by doing the opposite operation of what's happening to 4. That means I have to add 4. But remember, that equal sign says to remain balanced. And I'm drawing that rock picture of the pebbles. We had rock, a big one, and then we had multiple ones here. If I add 4 on this side, on the left side, I better add 4 on the right side as well. All right. So at this very moment, you got to really analyze the left side and see what's happening. Since you're subtracting 4 away and then adding 4 again, you should end up with 0. So this goes to 0. It goes away. I'm just going to cross it out because it doesn't exist no more, at least on the left side. In the right side, you have plus 4, which is great, right? But anyways, I kind of jumped the gun there. On the left side, you're just left over with negative 9x because there's no more 4. It doesn't exist. The equal sign drops down. And on the right side, we had 24 plus 4 now. If you add those up, you get a 27. Right, great. Now we're going to ask you the following question. And by the way, I'm doing a different strategy here. You could actually analyze the whole side and ask all those questions first, but I'm kind of breaking it up now. All right, looking at the marriage between the coefficient and the variable, what operation is holding them together? So what is holding negative 9 and x together? Is it multiplication or is it division? I hope you're able to see that it was multiplication. That negative 9 tells you that you have negative 9 multiples of x. 9 of these. Now I'll even draw them out. Multiples. It tells you that you have that many of them. And like I said, you're basically doing the opposite of what you see. So to get rid of that negative 9 multiple part, we're going to go ahead and divide negative 9 out. And once again, if you like, you can definitely split this equal sign to 2 pieces, to the left and right. And going back to being balanced, I took away 9. I need to also, I divided by 9, not take away 9. I divided by 9. I better divide by 9 on the other side too, by negative 9. The negative signs go away. They go to 1. The 9s go to 1. So that means you're left over with 1x. The equal sign drops down. And now you have 27 divided by negative 9. If you plug that in your calculator, it will look something like this. It will look like 27 divided by a negative 9. And then you plug that in into your calculator, I believe you should get negative 3. So when I solve this equation for x to find the value of x, for this specific equation, I get negative 3. That is my answer for the value of x. I just solved the equation for the missing piece. Anyways, that concludes the support system. If you need additional support, I'm available from 12 to 1.